B, Fields of Gold and Keyboy. Brother Barack by 3/4 of a length. Mind that win is on the outside. Mr. Integrity. And out of our turn, Brother Barack by half a length. Mind that win is on the outside. Mr. Integrity on the outside. Fields of Gold. As they raise the final corner, Brother Barack, mind that win on the outside. Mr. Integrity, think tank top notcher, mind that win is now the leader. And on the outside is Mr. Integrity, and nearing the finish line, mind that win. And finally, mind that win, Mr. Integrity, think tank top notcher, Bumblebee, Brother Barack, Keyboy, Fields of Gold, and